Let's head down on that, shall we? Sunshine Girls goal shooter Imelda Aiken was the highlight for the Queensland Firebirds after surpassing 7,000 career goals in the Suncorp Netball and National Super League on Saturday at the Nissan Arena in Australia. Aiken registered a brilliant 47 goals from 52 attempts, which guided her team, that is, to a thrilling 65-63 victory over the Collingwood Magpies, a team of country women Shimona Nelson and Jodianne Ward. Nelson was a goal shy of perfection for the losing team, and she shot 42 from 43, while Ward had only one interception. Meanwhile, Janelle Fowler and the West Coast Fever suffered a one-goal defeat, 63-64, to another Jamaican, this time defender Shamar Sterling and the Adelaide Thunderbirds. Fowler hit 54 goals from 58 attempts, but it was not enough to help her team claim victory. However, they still made progress to the semi-finals. Sterling collected 2 interceptions for the Thunderbirds, and the Melbourne Vixens, a team of another Sunshine Girl defender, Katie and Dehaney, had a 4-goal win, 58-54, over Lightning Sunshine Coast, and grabbed a semi-final spot. The semi-finals will be contested next weekend.